Wewe anaenda mwancho murigire maragoba ya vene litukiriga lietichikane karibu sana sekionga chinsa ikumi cha bono maragoba yembura ande to waka mbe mono karibu sana nchekuru kwa Matilda Ovoigwa nyaboke ven kurwa save manyerere karansike yare gukomanya asinchira ere ya vene nane kirongo chaka ekionga igobono abobisa boborimi abobomanyekane buna agricultural extension officers bono obagenderete kusaba chakire kwena na obosemia guchase abaremi bekemeri igiekagwa bagukwana kurwa ase omugondo gusekura nsemo ya Ndemo Farm eyogotoka ime yebunge ya Kitutu cha South County ya Kisii nigobono banyarire gukwanira egati yetimusuro chiekawa buna bono eri ya Batian inchira egosimekwa nabo igokorerwa eri okoreto buya ase omurimi nechinga kicho bakwanire buna riroba ribonete gusimekwa ekawa eyo naki ribonete kurindwa oika koreta obuya.
Our plans tunataka kuja expand nasari yetu iweze kuwa na michi ya kahawa mingi, angalau iweze kuwafikia wakulima mbalimbali katika maeneo tofauti tofauti. Na pia tuko na plan tuweze kuwa na vituo ambavyo vya michi ya kahawa, angalau wakati mkulima anataka kahawa anaenda anafikia kahawa ananunua, angalau akaweze kupanda kwa shamba yake.
Tukuna around 7 varieties. So, hizo varieties zetu from the word niliwaambia tunatoa pahali tukoshua mahali tunatoa varieties zetu ni mahali pako certified. Hatuna shida yoyote. Tukiweka variety yetu chini kwa mchanga benye nilikuwa nawaelezea kila seed lazima igerminate, hakuna yenye inakufa. Penye tunachanganya mchanga wakati wa kupanda, tunaweka mchanga wa liver sand, tunaweka manure, then tunaweka mchanga wa kawaida patiko red yenye haijawahi limwa ama kuweka mimea yoyote ile. So tuliona ni vizuri kutumia udongo yenye haijawahi pandwa chochote, cause tukitoa mchanga mahali kumelimwa na kupandwa vitu vingine, tuliona haitakaa vizuri, kwa sababu kuna uwezekano itakuwa na udongo wetu utakaa na magonjwa mengine, itakuja sumbua kahawa yetu.
Kwa miche ambayo tunayo tumegundua kwamba Batian ina faida mingi, inafanya vizuri sehemu yoyote nchini, inapandwa katika mchanga wenye rutuba, inaweza kustahimili magonjwa na inaweza pia kuwa na production ya juu. Ningependa kuwasihi wakulima wapande Batian, manake Batian ina quality mzuri, alafu pia inaanza kutoa mazao mwaka 1.5 baada ya kupanda.
Abanyanyimbo bigitaseni kianyamira ni gobono bachakira obotuki kubwatekana na makweri yobotutukano ase omusae w'emyaka 30 omanyakanete buna Boniface Oichoe uyonyarete konyorekana ase nyumba yaye gasireti obogima bwaye nabwo mobiroye kore ne chingoma chintindi ayega nigakorekana ase kenyoro kia Mabundu tukeme wodi ya Bogichora ibunge ya West Mugirango ekirabono ngina Nyagusira anyarire kwera buna nigo omumroyo anyara koegwa kusigotigerwa chingoma ase nyumba eyemo y'obwengi bwamaro ase chinseme chingana batebire buna nigo bwengi bwamaro bwairira abantu abange siri amagimabo
Njibona narangireti gwikara naruete gusietinga nkaja ngaikaga nkanyora nkurangiri kunganju mwana naitire muinari ngamanyi ngaitekire sana ngamanyi ngankumo amwaereire kenga amanyi ngaitekira amange mono njuchi kumoi nari nachiete guchoro nkanyora mwana araire gubuchi muinari nkanyora araire nsaturuge tumutuku chinse kumurangiri poni tali guita barende lakini abandikirire tirende kama taibuka gateba nabakira moroko kamanyi ngaitekita amange bari ngamanyi ngumubere bwenche mugima bauru nabakine tubiya toka none skuru nasomete nakurite none chi skuru nasomete gocha ino mwalimu renge kini bona gaite agaika katika bira gachaka kunywa maru one kara cha kunywa marua na bagenderete kuendelea paka buna bona itegucira
moroche gendekene kiakere kurango amarua to chandire binyore ko gara abana baito bakure sengenje yamaru nchasa amalieta angoro ku Nancy Kerubabuga wone nsa moino iga maru nara saliri abana bake ibakona muna bakagwa marwari umwana tari kwenyura umwana ugare ngo mwarimu gasome iga kinete buya korunse nande kerengo cyo gusangira nirasa marume ekene gendo kyo gukumisana bona marwa nara saliri abana babake onya tari amarwa nango umwana onyango genda darenge mutwe bona rocho umwana oyo sirire umwana iyo mwabona ko monene tari monta atigete mochioyo nera agakwa kabe kwembera gesa kunkeyo no yorocho kure gesa kunkeyo
amaruaro na aro muchanda mangana ya maruaro abasikari tigatubwaterane na abana abanyakenyoro maruasire mbale bakonia marua maya mbara mabera kini bono amaruna araitira abantu abagambi batie koegwa mangana yo koegwa gento igabatigana mangana yo
baje kwa nona abana bakabayibore bangire koibora kwanyoro umwana akubuka oso asa marua uji kubodi tata na kibano kwa kwanyoro singangari chimbote cyare sani bono jira twagokira maina gatutanyete gusenya amaina no burwere gwatugokoire atutagitegesa aba muraba some baroke banyome na ndutorore buya hone ndotogokora umugambi na marutata asire ekenyoro ekara marua asire ekenyoro na ndotogokora katotebe mbiya mono na ndu abana bakoreki babie are bayibora abana bayichoreka na ndu totoginga bagichora na ndu twabera abayibori abayatu bwata abachukuru bono jo mwana yokure tatigete na onekesa mugano bwo mwana yenyugete ngachiete sachiete
Mwanasiasa asireta Jared Siago kurase wode ya Gesima igotoka imeye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba nigesokire na kubolia umugusi wa kasiasa iyo Mulembe na kubomona gukwana Nelio Gelimo chinga kicho nigo anyale kumwakira Dr. Fred Matiang'i koko ase abolire mugusi anyale wesokia sobonge ilio komo kubuko naboigo kumosira ayiga nigaya kwana tukore rero kurwa ase ewodi ya Gesima kagusanga negati abamenyi kurwa ase orogongoro
Njendega narijukura 2022 mpaka South Nairobi inchai sana lakini ngata batigangi usiga seitoga abantu bamino na bamino keremo ko ambana abantu bamino ngo nabako manyanga omonto yominto ingera tokonye geraga na ko de binte binge na konyera abantu baminto ekinyore kemba maite sana teri buye kero abantu bamino baramo kwanyora abantu bawusukense lakini kero monto ga to de bali jikulia Kenya ndiko de bali kero monto na bwate right yae woyo jira sachire tokomaganiria maya lakini abantu abange to de banga kakuno mwana omino emesa yo mugusi wose enkwana yo mugusi boigeje ko kambero wali mesa ya busiali onye mugusi tari ko ba semesa emesa to go yata igo etoraboni igo usira Matiang'i tari go sabe president tari go sabe flag bearer ya opposition batie tokote banga nendu iku mwana ito aso asemesa ya baruoti bintu baje kwamba nera koriki atuwakilishe woni yango te yabantu kurboni apaka kao gocha kwa mwana Yesu Kristo kwa kabere ntoko nyora moraibu na Matiang'i igonye ntokote ka advantage nga oyinya sa to ire atubwa tokoboko tonako ni abantu bande ga batato konyo bugimo boito ubugimo rumura abantu bamintona bokongore obogimo bwa mintona etotegete omonto we want a leader we don't want a politician umwana siasa atageta kwegento na komenyera lakini umugaye umurayi atageta achincho obogimo bwao nayo bo muntu mwao okonya abantu bamino igo baminto ngeringa Matiang'i no pakengoli naende guika karanza semeseria baruti asabaja okaraki ya bunjere ndete iyo umugusi guika so kaseme asemesa we are like to have a second phase ya mass registration igo irachi ko mutinyo kiando ko mingo de abantu baminto wake kurane right yao tagwanza koreranga magende torare tu kiagero okero tari wake kura na benga muntu ri watatagete nero gwakoraki nero gwakira
na umoncho murigereria samangana yechisemi bono nigo igikaro gya kabere kyanyare gochaka usikyanyare gochaka umugasolero aliase omochie onaivasha igotoka me county ya Nakuru igikaro kyanyara kuigurwa bene no muraivensi ya Kenya muske William Ruto naboigo mwaziri wechisemi muske Julius Ogamba na chinga kicho mwaziri Ogamba nigo anyare kwerera igati yemerobererie bekire aroro osebekire ao ne serikali kwene kibuna omoroberio obwechisemi omoya CBE onyarire gwikirana kubwa mono chingaki aborokiwa bagenderete ne grade kirige 10 aborokiwa batangani omoroberio obwekerero gusomoroberio CBE.
The competency-based education is a skill-based system where everything that the student does accounts for something from day one. The assessments start from the classroom work that you do, and it accounts for a percentage. So that by the time you're doing an exam, what you have gotten in the process of learning enables you to progress to the next level. Additionally, it identifies the talents, the skills, the interest of the students, so that we do not always insist on having students take programs or take courses that they are not interested in. That's why we introduce the 3 pathways, so that we have STEM, we have social sciences, and we have creative arts. In that way, there is no student who will miss out, and that's why the transition is high, because now we're able to take each and every student to the next level based on what they are able to do. So it's work in progress. We are now on grade 10. We are moving to grade 12, transition to the universities. And then as we continue, because the assessment is doing year in, year out, we'll evaluate the whole system at the end of the cycle. We're in the middle of the cycle. We've done 10 years currently. And it is the best system that we have. And the best way to determine that, I encourage you, get out there, talk to the students who are learning in this program, the grade 10 students, the grade 9 students, and you will see a distinct difference between them and the ones who have been doing the 844, where they concentrate too much on just an exam. But that's not to mean that the team that is in Form 3 and Form 4 currently has been left out. We are also working to ensure that we take care of them so that we leave no child behind.
Asense moyaye umurai wense nere nanyara kwegera umurobero yo CBE ane muno asebirengo birevye cy'isukuru cy'ububundi na kinga kecho nigateba buna aboroki wabange imeyensi ya Kenya ane muno bali babere bakubwata chikosi bose babere bakwegera kigasi cy'amaboko nigo bono banyare gukonyeka wetera chinguru kiri ya serikali yabekire kusira cy'isukuru icyo.
We took into account, for example, that the system that was there, because many people ask questions about the competence-based learning. I am a very solid believer in CBE, very solid, from experience. Why do I say that? I say that because when we were reforming the Tibet space, we used to have so many failures. You know, a mason fails the exam not because they don't have the masonry skill. It is because they failed English. So we asked ourselves, why are you forcing this mason to pass English when his skill is masonry, you know? So we scaled down the place of English, and we got many more masons passing because they knew how to do, they had the skill of masonry, but they were failing on English, you know? So that is how we managed to reform that space. Let me give you another example.
Na koirana asama gacho ikulo enene kose State House nigo emambia lero munachiebina okoswasi kigambero ekenene mensi ya Kenya gia Supreme omanyekanete buna Owarsame kose Mohamed Abdullahi Owarsame bono anyara gutianirwa oswabisi gukora emirimo na kinga kicho nigo bono aba advocate bande babere banyara kubekirwe kigutwa nabo igo kwegwa maleta manene amaleta ya Senior Council umuyiga nyara kurawa n'umurayibensi ya Kenya. Muske William Ruto na wigo negati ya baraikura sensemo yebigambero.
I, Mohamed Abdullahi Warsame, a judge of the Supreme Court, do swear in the name of the Almighty God to diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya and to impartially do justice in accordance with this Constitution as by law established and the laws and the customs of the Republic, without any fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, prejudice, or any political, religious, or other influence in the exercise of the judicial functions entrusted to me.
Your Excellency conferred the rank and dignity of Senior Counsel upon 54 eligible advocates of the High Court of Kenya. The presidential action was published in the Gazette, Kenya Gazette, as Gazette Notice number 18138 of 2025. On this solemn occasion, 2 eminent members of the bar who were unable to receive their letters of conferment at the earlier ceremony shall now receive the presidential letters as bestowed by Your Excellency.
Mr. Evans Thiga Gaturu was admitted to the role of advocate on 21st of May 1973. He has served the legal profession with distinction for over 5 decades. He was among the pioneer students of the Faculty of Law at the University of Nairobi, graduating in 1972. He has rendered distinguished service to the profession through leadership in the Law Society of Kenya, the National Council for Law Reporting, the Judicial Libraries Committee of the High Court of Kenya, the Commonwealth Lawyers Association, as regional representative for Eastern and Southern Africa. Ms. Jedida Wakonyo Waruhio is an advocate of the High Court of Kenya since 1996 and certified public secretary. She studied law at the University of Nairobi, holds a Master of Laws from the University of Nottingham, and Cheving Fellow for being recognized in 2020 as Jurist of the Year for her distinguished public service in
Miona sana mwancho murigire na agendera kurigireria Getembe TV na ekero turachi guswase miroberi yende endera kuyebwatia gweterase emitandao yetu yekerero ya Facebook chinsemo cha YouTube kosa asa mutandao YouTube nyara go subscribe go chase YouTube channel ya Getembe na kogosa chinsemo cha TikTok tonyore buna Getembe TV and FM iriane Matilda Obaigwa na Nere Eugene korase studio ya Kabere Veni Nyaboke korase ebimanyererio twara kurigireria obia
amasomo nanine obumanye nabuborairire omwana okogendera asa matuko ali busio ne aye omwiburi kwabire gukuriye sukuru asoraire omwana ayanyorera obumanye nanene w'ikikosi cy'amaboko muretekero ka Technical Training Institute elio aibunduse chikosi ao igaiga ntubwate chikosi bunabono elia ya Building and Civil Engineering kubundisa tureboigo ekosi ya Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase ekosi ya Agriculture and Environment Studies ase ekosi ya Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician Level 5 na Level 6 ase ekosi ya Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosi ya ICT Technician Level 5 na Level 6 Gitume Lab asensema ya Community and Online Working imiyeskuru yigaya keti nigotubwate a Modern Library eyubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibigotumika ale nayo kubundisa tule ekosi ya Version Design asetubwate chimashini chekerero nkwegeli abale boigo Business Studies na Entrepreneurship nkwegeli bale Food Production yani Cookery na boigo Food and Beverage Production aseti nsamu cha Cosmetology nigotokwegeli ya Beauty Therapy miranga ase Beauty Therapy nigo okwenyorera obumanyi bwekerero unabono ya dressing pedicure manicure egati obumanyi bonde obunge boigo ntubwate kosi ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering agirira muretu mwanu ayanyorere obumanyi obwiga nabono nigo intake y'umutinyu gatano egenderete agirira eskure yigani kilomita ya munene muskuru asomo chokeroka na wogwaka esimgwetrase chinamba 0726 588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayire na kwenyorera obumanye riri webekeri bagari rya asense yiga yo kwerwanirira ine kwa kwabiri gukoria a roadshow track iyo bwate yogiriya iyo iratigwa mu musogo cyase aba